Hi everyone, it's Carol here from the stampingground.co.uk and I'm back again with another tutorial on this decoration on the bag. We've already done the video on the bag, and as promised I'm going to do the decoration. So what we need is a piece of Highland Heather cardstock, a piece, just a scrap piece of white. We're going to use our decorative border from the hand penned petals, and we're also going to use this inscription from the hand penned petals. First of all, we need to stamp our flower. So I'm actually going to do it on the Stamparatus. So I've just popped this in the corner, so if for any reason it did move, if you pop it back into the corner, it will be in the correct position. So pop your stamp on, press down and lift it up. And then we're going to use Memento Black . And just give it a good press. If you want a darker image, just go back over and press back down. There we are. Just pop that to one side. Now I'm going to colour this with our Stampin blends, and these are from, just 1 minute, I've got Highland Heather, I don't need that. These are the new in colours in the catalogue. We have Soft Succulent, Pale Papaya and Fresh Freesia, and we're going to use the dark and light in each of the colours. So you don't have to watch me colour this all the way through. I'll whiz through it in a minute when I've just told you what I'm doing. I'm going to start with the dark and not with that end. I want the brush end. And I'm going to add the dark where I think it should be on the flower. I will then go over with the light, and then if I want to add any more dark, I'll go back in with the dark, which I know on this one I did. There we are. So now we need to die cut this out. There we are, so it's now all cut out. We now need to make the vase or plant pot, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to start, make sure that you've got a completely straight line at the bottom, and whoops, and I'm just going to go 3 cut on an angle. And then decide on what width you'd like at the bottom. And then you can choose the height that you want. Oh, there we are. Easy as that. With, there we are. With this border die that's in the Hand Pen Petals dies, you want to just cut a small border, and we're going to add that to decorate the top. Now you can put it wherever you want. So I'm just going to add a bit of glue. And when you put it on, try and make sure you get a full scallop, or nearly a full scallop on either side, because we're going to pop some pearls on there. And then just turn it over. And cut. Now, I've made a little bow just to pop on the front, and we're going to stick that on with a glue dot. There we are. And then we're going to add, I've got that not straight, so I'm going to that's better. I've coloured the pearls with the Stampin' blends. So if you just, while it's still on the card and it's stuck, just colour it in. I'm just trying to, maybe I've used the Highland Heather. Yeah. Just colour it and then just let it dry on there. Then oops. All fingers and thumbs with these little things. Oh, they seem to flick all over. And then the last one. There. So I think that looks quite pretty. And then we just need to add that to our plant pot. I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue on the back. And there we are. Now this would look nice on a box, a card, a gift tag. In fact, I may do a gift tag with that on. So we're now going to add it to the bag. I'm not sure whether I wanted to put it on dimensionals or just glue it on, and I think it would look nice just glued flat on there. So just turn it over. If you want to pop it on dimensionals, then that's absolutely fine. And then we just need to make our inscription. I'll just put this to one side. I'm using, it says thanks, and again this is out of the Hand Pen Petals, and we will use the Highland Heather ink. I'm going to turn that, I can do it at the top. I can just see it's like a feather in there. That's better. And I think I'll put this onto dimensionals. There we are. So I'll just pop there. So that's our bag finished, and it's a lovely size, and I think you'll agree it looks very pretty. So I hope you have a go and enjoy it, and I will be back very soon with another video. Thank you.